Okay. Hi, Rimjam.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm very good. So tell me, what do we want to discuss today?
So, I have a question.
Okay.
Why do people have addictions?
Okay. So why do people have addiction? First of all, I'd like to ask you, what do you call as addiction? क्योंकि आमतौर पे जब हम एडिक्शन की बात करते हैं,
Hmm.
मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम लोगों के दिमाग में तीन चीजें आती हैं: स्मोकिंग, ड्रिंकिंग, ड्रग्स।
Yeah, correct.
करेक्ट? बट
Hmm.
मेरे हिसाब से और भी एडिक्शन होती
Or we addictions like, for example,
हैं. एडिक्शन ऑफ नाउडेज, watching reels on your mobile. That's
oh,
also addiction. Okay.
is it also an addiction?
Yes, it is an addiction. आजकल तो प्रॉपर रिहेबिलिटेशन सेंटर्स शुरू हुए हैं दुनिया में जो तुम्हें डिजिटल मीडिया से दूर कर देंगे.
Okay. Then I think everyone is addicted with this.
Yes, most of the people are addicted with it. Binge watching is also an addiction.
Hmm.
Okay. कई लोग जो बोलते हैं कि मेरे को स्वीट टूथ है, मैं मीठा खाए बिना रह नहीं सकता, दैट कैन ऑल्सो बी एन एडिक्शन डिपेंडिंग ऑन what level it is.
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
Okay, so addiction can be anything, but most of the time जब भी हम addiction की बात करेंगे लोगों के दिमाग में यही चीजें आएंगी. एडिक्ट है, अच्छा मतलब दारू बहुत पीता है, अच्छा सिगरेट बहुत पीते हो, और तुम्हें ड्रग एडिक्शन है. These are the three common things. But
Yeah.
addiction can be anything.
Hmm.
The latest addiction which I feel nowadays in youngsters, and not even youngsters, even बड़ों में भी, that is एक के बाद एक रील देखना.
Yeah, it's true. हमें पता ही नहीं चलता कि कब 2 घंटे निकल गए. हम सोए भी नहीं है.
हाँ, और लोग वो रात को देखना शुरू करते फिर सो भी नहीं पाते हैं.
हाँ, correct. But I never thought about it as an addiction. I thought it's just आदत ही खराब है.
नहीं, आदत तो खराब, हर एक चीज आदत खराब से होती है, वही एडिक्शन में कन्वर्ट हो जाती
Yeah.
है ना. बट द इश्यू इज कि एडिक्शन है, होती क्यों है, दैट इज मोर थिंग. तो एडिक्शन से अगर तुम्हें कोई भी एडिक्शन छोड़नी है तो पहले ये सोचना पड़ेगा कि तुमने वो एडिक्शन पकड़ी क्यों. देयर वाज अ टाइम व्हेन यू स्टार्टेड. नाउ व्हेन
Hmm.
टॉक अबाउट पहली तीन चीजें
Mm-hmm.
addiction way. So most of the time people started when they want to fit in. Okay, like कॉलेज में सब लड़के पी रहे हैं, स्मोक कर रहे हैं, तो मैं भी कर लूंगा. Nowadays even girls
Yeah.
do that. Okay, so why do they start it? Either they want to fit in with the group of people. Sometimes
Hmm.
start smoking because they want to prove that I'm as good as a boy. But whenever you try to fit in, ask yourself, what is it that make you feel that you are not good as you are and you have to fit in into something else.
I think ये बिकॉज एक रिमार्क या बना दिया गया, सेट कर दिया गया, अगर ये करते हैं तभी यू आर गुड इनफ, तभी आप उस सोसाइटी का एक पार्ट हो.
Yeah.
अदरवाइज.
Now अगर तुम्हारे बाकी दोस्त स्मोक कर रहे हैं या ड्रिंक कर रहे हैं,
हम्म.
why do you have to do it? You are saying कि अरे,
अदरवाइज दे विल नॉट एक्सेप्ट मी एज अ फ्रेंड.
हाँ, so that is the question. When you feel कि मैं उस ग्रुप में फिट इन नहीं होऊंगा, क्योंकि वो ग्रुप तो सारा स्मोकर्स का है, ये सारे लोग हैं जो वीकेंड पे जाके बियर पीते हैं या मस्ती करते हैं. सो दैट एसोसिएशन, मस्ती with that drinking or smoking, or I will not be cool if I don't.
या या.
So you have to ask yourself, why do you feel that you have to be cool like somebody else and why you are not cool the way you are? So the deeper question is, why don't you feel that you are good enough as you are? So most of the time, people get into these addiction, first step to fit in. And when they start getting into that and they want to fit in, they have to ask themselves, what is in me which makes me feel that I'm not cool enough, I'm not good enough, and I have to be like somebody else to be cool and to be good?
Hmm.
That is the first question. Then the second question is, according to me, other reason why people get into that addiction is they're running away from something. They don't want to face their reality. They don't want to answer something. They're
Hmm.
running away from something.
So
Sometimes,
what I get when you were saying fit in and running away from something. So in this scenario, I think people are running away from loneliness. If I will not drink, I will not smoke, then nobody will be my friend and I will be so lonely. So let's just do it and fit in.
so you are running away from something. So what is it that you are running away? Sometimes people फील कि मैं अपने घर वालों के साथ तो कंफर्टेबल नहीं हूँ, बट आई एम कंफर्टेबल विद दिस गैंग ऑफ पीपल.
Hmm.
So you have to look at why you are not comfortable with your family, why you are not comfortable with people who don't smoke. What are you running away from? Are you running away from your family? Maybe because you feel that your parents are not as good as they should be, or they are not as rich as they should be, or they are not as sophisticated as you feel they should.
Hmm.
Isn't
Hmm.
it? Lot of youngsters, when they get into these addiction, they are pretending to be something which they are not.
Yeah, yeah, that's true.
Okay. Otherwise, what is the reason you don't feel good about yourself? There are a lot of people who don't
Hmm.
smoke, who don't drink. So why can't you be part of that group? Why do you have to be part of this particular group? Or
Hmm.
why can't you do something for yourself? Why do you expect others to make you feel good?
आई थिंक ये ही आजकल का एक ट्रेंड बन गया है ना, एक स्टेटस बन गया है कि आपको ये करना है,
So that is the
पता ही नहीं है कि
issue.
राइट क्या है.
So that is
सॉरी.
the basically self-esteem issue.
या. करेक्ट.
Okay. Most of the time when people get into addiction, you have to work on their self-esteem.
हम्म.
Okay. तुम में ऐसा क्या है जो तुम ढूंढ रहे हो और जो मैच नहीं? So whether you are addicted to reels, whether you are addicted to smoking, the first thing you have to do is ask yourself, what am I running away from?
वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आई थिंक स्पेशली फॉर यंगस्टर्स.
Yeah. People sometimes get into reels all the time because they are not sure of what they are doing, whether they will succeed or not. So why? That is fear of failure they are running away from.
हम्म. या.
पास या फेल होने के लिए एडमिशन तो लेनी पड़ती है ना. वहां
हम्म.
तक पहुंचो ही नहीं, ना तुम पास होगे ना फेल होगे, ना फियर ऑफ फेलियर.
करेक्ट.
So whenever you, if you are having any sort of addiction, or you feel कि तुम किसी ऐसी चीज में ट्रैप में जा रहे हो, तो give yourself time, sit comfortably at one place. And I always give a simple method, right? I am addicted to watching reels.
हम्म.
Ask yourself why. And be truthful. Answer why. Then whatever comes, ask why.
हम्म.
Why? Go 5, 6 steps deeper and you will know why you are doing it. And once you know why, there are ways to come out of it. At least you have
हम्म.
clarity why you are doing it. So any addiction, just sit and go ask yourself why. Go 5, 6 steps deep. You will have the real reason why you are in this addiction.
वाओ. इट्स सो इजी ना, बट वी मेड इट वेरी डिफिकल्ट.
Huh?
इट्स सो इजी, वी जस्ट मेड इट डिफिकल्ट.
See, जब तुम्हें कॉज पता है तो तुम सॉल्यूशन ढूंढ सकते हो. जब कॉज ही नहीं पता, सॉल्यूशन कैसे ढूंढ?
हम्म. करेक्ट.
First thing, before you think of anything, just sit and find the cause of your addiction. Then you
हम्म.
can choose what you want.
या.
And I request everyone, do this and you will find the answer. If you don't find the answer, then also write in the comments, and if you find the answer, then also write in the comments. Because if you find the answer, you will know how to solve it. So simple thing. Why? A very important question that you can ask yourself, why?
Why?
So I hope you all try it and write to us.
Why?
Write to us why you are doing it, so that I know what I can do for you more.
That's great. Then we can plan meditations accordingly.
Yeah. So do this why, get back to us, and me and Rimjim are there to answer all your other questions, whatever comes to your mind. Okay. Bye bye.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.